Now for the client portal page, let's open the login page. The page is almost working here. So we can't actually open the live link from here because this is a private sector. The normal public or the traffic can't see these things actually. So you need to prepare a custom URL link for login to your private clients or customers. So let's see how we can manage these things. So this is the design actually, and you can go to the CMS, go to your collection, open the client portal collection here. From this, you can add a new client, create the title like testing number six. Okay. So this is the client portal item. This is the content page actually, and this is the client portal login page. So this will automatically generate from this slug item. Okay. So when we write this slug title or keyword, then it will automatically generate here. And again, we can also edit this URL and can create a custom link too. So let's see how this works. We set this title or the company name here, and then we can set an image. I'm skipping now. So this slug item. So for this slug item, test 6, I'm using test 6. Don't use any spaces or any capital letter. Okay. So the client name, uh, testing 6. Okay. So this is the thing, and let's use a video from a custom randomly used YouTube link. Okay. I'm using a random link here. Let's choose these things. Copying this item. Let's go back to this the video link. Okay. So hero line. So it's hero line and proposal URL. I'm keeping it blank for now. Okay. So for the page password, set a password like 5684. I'm using this password for now. You can change it and then make it safe. So it's saved now. You can check that it's testing 6 automatically generated here, and the edit URL button is active now. So you can click here and you can edit the link. Okay. So this is the content page link, and this is the login link. Right? So if you click this view live site, then it will open the live link actually. This is the link. Okay. So you need to send this link to your client. So this is the password. So I am giving a randomly used password. Let's see if this is login or not. So this is incorrect password. So it's working. Let's see what is our. Sorry, it's my net problem, internet problem. Go to the CMS again. Collection and portal. Let's check. This is the password. I'm copying it now and then So this is not working with a random or wrong password. Okay. So if I give original password, let's see if this is our original password or not. So 56849. This is our 56849. Okay. And let's check random. So this is still incorrect. So let's use the original password this time. 56849. 56849. Okay. Then click enter. So this page opens. This is just error with the Wix site, their server problem. Or let's check if the things is working properly. So use we are using a old setted URL. Let's click on this. So this title is JKL. Okay. So I am opening this page now. Okay. So let me be visible to you. I'm using a random password. So this is incorrect. Let's see what is the correct password for this. Check it out. The password is 85246 for the JKL 85246 85246. Then click enter. This is open. The content page is open and the video is working here. So there is some bugs here in this paragraph section. So I'm working on it quickly. So if we set any URL for the PDF or the proposal, then it will work here. So click on this PDF. This is not working because there is no link set it here actually. Okay. So let's set the thing. So you can add another client and that will work. These things will work automatically after a few time. Wix needs some time to fix up their little problem. So don't worry, it will work simply automatically. Okay, that's it. Thank you.